Showing you what was going on in the morning. There was a little bit of rain still going on in the morning by 10:30. You can see it was stretching from McKinney over to Kemp. Very light rain. I just showed you this because you got the cloud cover as well. Most people just had the clouds with this. All that rain quickly moved off to the east, and we had a little sunshine, at least in Dallas County, and everything out to the west. Clouds stayed all day out across the east, and had a big change in temperature, big difference in temperatures across North Texas. We're going to have the same thing tomorrow, by the way. This is that clearing that, as you look to the west from Dallas, you could see the clouds rolled right back in as soon as we got into the dark. The high today was 59, which is exactly average for this time of year. So it was a typical February day. High temperatures today range from 45 to Paris to 62 out in Comanche, so a big range in temperatures, 60 in Fort Worth and 64 high in Dallas. And tomorrow we're expecting almost the exact same and another big range because there's going to be a lot of clouds out to our northeast from Bonham, Paris, Sulphur Springs. You'll probably stay in the 40s to 50s all day. Meanwhile, out in Breckenridge and Comanche, you could hit 70 and be a little breezy as well. Everybody will probably have some cloud cover to start the day tomorrow. It'll wick away and we'll get sunshine really from late morning across the afternoon, across the Metroplex, a high of 60, even though it's a little breezy. It's going to be a nice Sunday. You can see the tornado watch that's in effect for Tampa now. Yeah, the site of Super Bowl 55 tomorrow on CBS. Right now, there's a tornado watch out. It's going to be going on through the overnight hours, some severe weather possible in the overnight. Then the front comes through Florida in the morning hours and through Tampa. So they're going to actually have the skies clearing out as they get into the afternoon towards game time, and temperatures will be into the 60s. It'll be a little breezy. Of course, you would expect this time of year to see bitter cold temperatures up in Canada. Look at this in Yellowknife. Right now, it's minus 47 there. And you see negative numbers in Minnesota, in Des Moines as well. Not that unusual. You do see the start of the cold air starting to come in. That's the story here. We do have cold air. It's going to take a couple of cold fronts, and after our 70-degree day on Monday, we're going to really start seeing it charge in. Look at those daytime highs on Thursday and Friday. And when you got air this cold, you always see if there's going to be a little moisture thrown into the mix. Maybe Wednesday night, Thursday morning, we're going to be watching carefully of what's falling from the sky. There could be a little winter weather there. I think the amounts will be very light and probably have minimal effects on travel, but we're not escaping the bitter cold. We'll have temperatures in the 30s for highs, and look at those overnight lows.